Welcome to Stelrad, the UK's leading manufacturer of radiators. How to install a vertical radiator. This installation guide applies to the following Stelrad radiators: Compact Vertex, Vita Compact Vertical, Vita Deco Vertical, Vita Plan Vertical, Softline Compact Vertical, Softline Deco Vertical, and Softline Plan Vertical. Before we get started, let's run through the tools you'll need. Screwdriver, drill, spanner, radiator valve tail key, radiator bleed key, dust sheet, cloths or rags, tape measure, pencil, spirit level, suitable personal protective equipment, packaging cutter, socket wrench, and step ladder. And the materials you'll need are Stelrad radiator, mounting accessories, PTFE tape or jointing compound, and corrosion inhibitor. We recommend that Stelrad steel panel radiators are only used with indirect heating systems and installed to British standards BS 5449. In your radiator pack, you'll find radiator brackets and screws, bracket clamps, an air vent, and blanking plugs. Now let's get started. Prior to installation, the water and heating system should be switched off. Take care when unpacking the radiator to ensure you don't lose any of the parts or fittings. Next, remove all the transit plugs using the correct tool. Choose the preferred entry points, either the inner or outer connections. Before fitting the radiator, fit the air vent and plug to the preferred radiator connection. PTFE tape or jointing compound is not required, and be careful not to over-tighten the vents and plugs. It's critical that the flow return positions are connected to ensure the effective operation of the radiator. The crimping or flow diverter within the internal structure forces hot water to the top of the radiator, guaranteeing an even temperature top to bottom. Once you're happy that the radiator's prepared, start by fixing the brackets to the wall. First, make a pencil mark central to the water inlet and outlet pipes. From this mark, measure a second mark that will indicate where the wall brackets will be positioned. Using a spirit level, draw vertical lines on the wall at these points. Next, use your spirit level to draw a horizontal line, a minimum of 150 mm from the floor. With the wall bracket in hand, sit the bottom edge on your horizontal line, line up the hole centres with your vertical lines, and make a mark in the centre point of the slotted holes. Drill holes on these marks. Unplug the wall. Loosely position the top clamps to the brackets before screwing them to the wall. With a ratchet spanner, fasten both the wall brackets to the wall. With help, lift the radiator into position onto the wall brackets. Holding the radiator in place, tighten down the clamps at the top. This will hold the radiator securely in position. We recommend that you install a radiator with a thermostatic valve. This will allow you to pre-select the temperature separately in each room. After turning the water back on, bleed the radiator using a radiator bleed key. Once the installation is complete, check for leaks and switch the heating on. Make sure that all packaging is disposed of safely and in an environmentally friendly way. For more help or information on fitting your Stelrad radiator, simply visit www.stelrad.com. We're here to make installation easy. This video is intended as a guide only. Please ensure that you have the experience required.